Okay, I want you to open the Instagram app and go to your profile, like right on your profile, not on the home page. So the profile will be right in the corner. So if you open Instagram and it takes you home, right in the corner here, you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, right at the end where you see your picture or profile picture, and just click on it, and then you end up on your profile. Just ignore that, and you want to go to the top of your screen where you see your name and then these 3 lines over here in the corner, and you just tap on it just like that. And then once you get there, you want to pass account center, saved, archive, and then go to your activity, and then go to this arrow in the corner and just tap on it just once, just like that. It might take time to open depending on your Wi-Fi and how Instagram is responding on the day. Then once you get here, it will start on top of this page written on your activity. You want to just scroll down just like that, or scroll up with your finger, and then you want to go to where you see content shared, and then posts, reels, and highlights. So depending on what you want to delete, you want to just click on post. That's what I want to focus on right now. And then once you get there, you can either change if you want to see the posts that are newest to oldest. That is the arrangement that you see right now. But if you want to delete older posts, you just go here where you see newest to oldest, all dates, or includes location, and you just go on this little arrow, just tick on it. And then if you want to see your older posts first, it will then renew that, and then all you see is your oldest post if that's what you want to delete. If you want to change dates, you can change dates, and it says all dates, past week, past month, date range. Then you can select which date range you want to start deleting from. And if you want to include location, you just tap on it here, includes location, so it will show you all the locations. And if you want to delete from specific locations, you can go ahead and then do that. And then to delete, you want to just click on each photo. Just go here on top of your screen where you see posts, and then select. Just tap on select, and then it will show you these little round circles. So you just tap on each circle just like that, and then you select which videos or which posts you want to delete. The maximum you can delete each and every time is 100 posts, but I'm just gonna delete this first 6 just to show you. So here you will see the text written manage. You just click on manage, and then you can either delete, archive, or remove location. So if you archive the posts, it means you can bring back the posts when you want them, so they're just stored away, but they won't show on your grid on Instagram. So if you want, you can just go ahead and click delete, since this is a video on how to delete multiple posts at the same time. So just click on delete. Just know that if you delete, it's gone. You cannot get it again. So then it asks you again, are you sure you want to delete this post? You can just go ahead and then click on delete, and then you're just going to give it a few minutes or a few seconds depending on your network to delete those posts. If you want, if it's taking too much time, you can just close the Instagram app and then reopen it, and then go back to your profile the same way we did it the last time. You just go back to your profile, and then to those 3 dots, your activity, and then down to posts, and then to the oldest, and then you check those posts that were up here have disappeared. So you can keep on selecting the ones that you want to delete. And if you want to archive, it is the same process. You can just click on select, and then those circles will come back right here. Then you just go ahead and then you select the amount of photos or posts that you want to delete. Sometimes it will tell you to either archive or delete right here, or the other menu. So if you want to archive, you can just go ahead and click on archive, and then the same process. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips just like this.